Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw. And I'm glad you joined me today. I've been getting a bunch of requests on how to draw a standing figure, just a standing guy in kind of like a relaxed or semi-heroic pose. So I'm going to do it. Please follow along. I think you'll enjoy this. I'm going to draw first with my sketching pencil, and then I'll do it over again in a darker hue so you can see it more boldly. Okay, so first, just sort of shapes, just to get the basic position. I'm going to have them facing this way. See, that's the center line, eye line, and this is going to be the torso. Now, I'm only going to be able to do a medium shot. There's just not enough room here to do the whole thing. So, stick with me for this, and I'll show you some tricks. Here's the hip area, kind of like a bowl. So the center line comes here, comes down here. Here attaches the leg. The shoulders are at an angle. See, not straight, they're at an angle. So I'm going to put them here. And the pockets are in front, not in the sides. A little bit in front. Let's bring his arm out here, and he's going to be explaining something to somebody who just doesn't get the concept. Is that the story of your life? Do you have somebody in your life you have to explain everything to? Okay. Very sketchy stuff first. Now let's go in and see if we can define his face a little bit. And I'll show you some, blah, 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 blah. Here we go. Stick with me. I'm going to bring the eye line up a little bit. Smaller eyes. Kind of medium-sized nose, sort of stops right in the middle of the face. I'll make his mouth open so he is explaining. He's kind of good-natured about the whole thing. Are you good-natured about the whole thing? Okay, here we go. That kind of strong chin. See that squared off chin? So he's an athletic type of guy. I'll add some mass behind the head. And cut off with a straight line across the forehead. Open that upside down V right here. Okay, now let me show you a few things to point out before I put it in motion. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Notice how the chest is going up, like this, but the hips are angling down. They kind of go like this, and that's to get equilibrium. I mean, if the chest went up and the hips went up, you'd fall that way. So that's an important thing to keep in mind. This is what's called, this supports the character, this one, because this leg, because it is straight. This one's off to the side, so it's not supporting any weight at all. Notice I put a little crimp in his back here to stop his posture from looking completely straight, which is not what you want to do. It's just a little boring. All right, ready? Let's see if we can get this going here. It's tough with these small areas for this thick pencil, so I'm going to cheat and use my regular pencil. And I'll use the other one on everything else, but this, I'm not going to get the eyes with something that thick. It's just not going to happen. There you go, that's a little better. And same thing with the mouth. First, you always draw the middle where the lips meet. And now I like to draw the upper one and then the lower. But there's nothing in the rule book that says you can't do it the other way. Nothing at all. Okay, back to the thick pen. Straight line down from the ear, taper it in, a hard line, makes him look a little masculine. Straight line for the chin, same thing. Bring the neck out from the ear, from the middle under the nose, comes the neck. Now add that mask behind here and extend the hair off the front. Now let's just, while we're here, add some color because this will certainly increase the contrast, which is nice. I'm going to put a little dot here. Yeah, so that could stand out a little more. Now this is rounded here, not straight. This is straight because it's not going around anything, but this is going around the neck. Let's see how you do that. All right, slope the shoulders, not square, and a little crease where the elbow is, like that. Just a little, like a little sleeve right there, a little slash. Now not too much here in the chest, you make him look like Superman. A little bit of that crimp right here in the back, over the pocket, and falls down this way. And here we go, here is that leg that's holding the body up. This one comes a little bit away. And we're going to bring this one down too. This slopes. And also another crease right there. Now this is a muscle here, this forearm muscle. So we're going to bring that out. Now let's just bring this, make this simple. Since it's a complicated hand pose, you want the pinky to be in front, and that's the palm heel. And we could also add some tone to this, or blacks to this. Bring out the contrast a little more. Little shirt pocket. And there you have it. There is a guy pose, kind of a medium shot. I hope you enjoyed that. I have new videos every week. I hope you will subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.